Hi, I'm at garment factory. It is washing section, and washing section is relatively, comparatively very easy section where a lot of arrangement of machine is not needed. So let us see and observe that what is going on in the washing factory. And this factory do not need large amount of worker skills and large amount of settlement of machines, but small amount of investment can be done for that project to be done. Okay, let us see. That is the drying section. Any kind of effect can be done on the finished garments by using those machines such as garment dye and acid dye, indigo wash. All the effect can be done. Reverse cool dye. Those things can be done by this machine, and those are the dryer. And for some finishing purpose, those dryer can be used. Let us see the dyeing bath also. There is the hydroextractor where the water of the garments are removed from the fabrics. That is the arrangement. And there is the dyeing bath. After completing the garments, the complete garments are dyed in here. And that is a simple bath where near about 10 kg of garments could be dyed. And there are other baths where 50 kg, 25 kg, and more than that garments could be dyed. And 1 hours or near about 1.5 hours is needed to be done the job that the worker are working. So for making a washing sector, you must need a you know what can I say? It is the gas arrangement, which is a prime concern, and also the generator should be used because of if you when you are doing dyeing and the color electricity supply is not okay, then the dyeing effect or the washing effect could be haphazard. And that is the bath where deep dye is done. You know, garments are tie on the top of the bath, and then uh, it is just the fabric or the garments submerged in here, where the bath containing the chemicals which is used to be dyed the garments. And that is the QC section. Let us check. That is the dry washing section where all the chemicals and all the arrangement have been done. They are doing those chemical allocations in here. There is a PP spray zone. All the boys are working in here.